wow. This would be a big difference. So guys, we are back, and we're going to go ahead and do our first install video. This seems pretty simple, so I mean, I don't know if we really got to explain it, but if you can bring that camera closer, they can see it. They already have pre-drilled holes here, all the way down, and then the same thing back here. You can see them right here, here, and here. And they have like 3 slots down here for the bolts for this. So it's just basically going to go on like this. And you're just going to line up those holes. These are fender flares. These are factory OEM from Can-Am. And we figured we wanted some more protection to, you know, stop the mud flying into the unit. So it's going to be a lot easier to clean up. And so we figured we would just get this mod right off the bat.
Yeah, it would help out a lot.
Right. And then the lower doors, obviously, that's going to help keep the mud out. And then the roof. And then we haven't decided on what windshield we're going to go with. And those of you that have been with me for a while,
It's got to take a little bit.
Right. But we're going to get it real quick here. We're not going to, I mean, we're going to make a decision and just go with it. And we'll probably do like a time lapse since it's so simple. And then we can show you what it looks like when we're all done. And we'll go from there. That's one side.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad at all.
No.
You just got bolts right here, just like we showed you. Now this goes up underneath here. So you want to put this on first. And then you want to leave all these screws right here loose until you get everything lined up. And then this just kind of goes up underneath here. Now on this one, there weren't any pre-drilled holes. So we just had to kind of like line it up with the contour of the plastic to make sure it looked all right. Simple job. And it looks totally different.
Yeah.
So, I mean, man, that is nice.
It doesn't stick out too far either.
Right, it looks more, what, muscular?
Yeah.
But you guys could see, show them the difference from this side to the next. It almost looks naked. You know what I mean? There's nothing here. And then the back, let's show them the back. You guys can see the back. There's a big difference. We got this nice fender flare right here. It covers this tire right here. So it's going to stop that mud from coming up inside the back of the cab here. I mean, we can get a window or something, or you know, rear panel there, but still.
Need to now.
I mean, this is really nice. Big difference. I think what we'll do is let's go ahead and we'll get this other side on, and then we'll show you guys the final look. So we've been talking while we're doing this install, and this is kind of what happened last time. When we were doing the Ranger. We were putting a bumper on, and we were trying to figure out a name for this new project. I think we got one. Tell me what you guys think. The Blue Reaper. And we thought it was fitting because of the colors. Black, blue, and we already have Zeus. Sure. And so we thought that would be a pretty cool project name. Tell me what you guys think down below in the comment section. We wanted to show you this too. So there's going to be 3 bolts right here, and we're using just a 10mm wrench here, a little mini. And then I think that's, what is this, a 30?
32.
32. 32 Torx. So don't forget to put these in. We almost forgot to do it. And I think we got it there, right? Yeah. Am I missing it? No, I'm missing it. But this was a real nice install. And that's one of the good things about, you know, going with OEM Can-Am products. This was made for this unit.
It fits it right to it.
And it's really nice install. Now there are some things you can get away with. You know what I mean? Like we did on the Ranger. We got away with a couple things. Then a couple things bit us in the butt.
Yeah.
With the roof.
Love it. But when you're buying OEM, you're paying extra for it, but that's because it matches it perfect. You know? Right.
And some of this stuff, like I didn't think this was a bad price. I think they were like around $300 or something like that. And so I figured that, you know, with the way it looks, I figured we would go with this route here. Yeah. Plus how easy it is to install. And then another thing we wanted to show you, this is going to go up under here like this. So we wanted to show you guys that so you could see it. So it's got like a little slit right here. And you're just going to put that right up under there. And it's got what? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we kind of got it matched it. Now on this one there's no pre-drilled holes, so you got to kind of like just kind of match it up with the contour. I think we did it like this, didn't we?
Yeah.
We had it a little bit down further. We had it like that?
Yeah.
And that is it. Wow. Let's check it out from the back, see how it looks. Now that we got both sides on. Man, what a difference. Almost looks like the Batman mobile.
It's pretty cool.
Showing this angle right here, you can kind of like see a side angle. And then let's show them the front here. You guys can see the front. It's a big difference.
Oh yeah.
Man, that looks aggressive. I really like it. And I know they sell like rock blocks They sell like an extension that comes up to right here, or adrenaline cycles sells like a little flap right here. I don't know if we're gonna go with that yet. I'm not sure yet.
We'll have to see.
Yeah, we won't know until we
Get some mud.
get some mud on it. And,
Right now everything's hard, even though we have no snow.
yeah, we don't have any snow here. We live in Ohio, and all it does is rain.
It's 60 degrees in this January.
Yeah, exactly, and it's what? I don't even know what day, 12 or something?
Yeah.
But this, I tell you what, this is a good start to Project Blue Reaper, I think. We got a lot more stuff planned. We're still waiting for some stuff to come in, you know, from the mail, but everything's on order. We figured we'd go ahead and show you guys how this looks. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is just the beginning of this project. We got a lot of stuff planned. I just can't wait to, you know, get wrenching on this thing. I can't wait to take it out on trails.
Yeah.
So we kind of want to get this stuff done.
Yeah.
Before we do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel and like this kind of stuff, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Also, please like, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of this first mod that we're doing to Project Blue Reaper. Also, let us know what you guys think of the name. I thought it was a pretty cool name. And if there's any other suggestions out there, you guys can go ahead and put that down in the section below. Follow us on Instagram. Check out our merch store. We got hats, stickers, coffee mugs, hoodies, anything you guys can think of. We got that stuff. And with that said, see you on the next one.